Yep. Oh wow, jeez. That is so bright. That is actually crazy. The lighting in this garage is rubbish. So let's fix it. So at the moment, my lighting situation consists of this one strip light that's above the workbench area, but here, for example, it's quite dark. Here it's quite dark. There it's bright enough, but not great. And then I've got two other lights here, which are basically my garagey, like, vehicle working lights, which are pretty bright. They're pretty good, to be fair, but I want to put these on the sides. So I want one here and one there. So when I'm working on like the wheels or anything, I can actually see what I'm doing. And then I've got this HEX lights. Let's have a look. Let's get it up. Okay, so in the box, we've obviously got instructions, got bag of connectors, another bag of connectors, and oh, okay, so 4 bags of connectors. Got mounting bracket, cable ties, zip ties, depends on where you're from, and then all these LED strips. Wow, okay, all right, let's, I don't even know what that does. Have a look at the instructions. So it looks pretty straightforward. I've also gone for the option which had the like casing around the edge. And then these are all the pieces. The way I wanted to do it was maybe have like half on at one time. So I have 2 switches. So I could do like, maybe even 3 switches actually. Yeah, so look, this is one circuit and this is one circuit. So that'll probably be good actually, because it means when I don't need loads of light, I can just have this one on. And then I want all the light, I can have this one on. Excuse me. So you've got these corner pieces, which is those. Got these middle pieces here, which is like that. So these are for the rectangular outer light. And then you've got this piece, which is also a corner piece, but has the connector to then connect the power to it. And then we've got similar, but obviously slightly different angles. So we've got corner pieces for the actual hex. And then we've got sort of middle 3 connector pieces and also a corner with the power connector bit as well. Super simple, really clever design actually. I'm just, yeah, really impressed. And these clip together so nicely. It's been super easy to do so far. So yeah, I'm super excited. This is gonna look really good. Just gonna do a quick bit of wiring just to get this set up for now, and then I'll do something more permanent later. See, 2 of these match, so I'm just gonna wire these together. I'll do something more permanent and safe later. Don't copy me, just learn how to do electrics properly. This is not the safe way to do it. This is just me wanting to get this up and running now. Got some electrical tape. Just gonna bend away the ground. I'm gonna tape up these 2 connections. There's no chance of them touching. Got the connector one end, got the plug the other end. So I'm gonna plug this into the connector first, and then I'll plug this into the socket. I've only got extension leads running from my shed at the moment. I'll do a comparison at the end, but having turned these HEX lights off and then turned these ones on, the difference is bonkers. I've cable tied here, just connecting it to the central beam, I'm gonna call it. I've done it all the way along where it actually touches. Let's get the rectangular frame lights built up and then see what it looks like. I'm excited. New lights. Yeah, that's so good. Okay, so this is no lights on at all. It's just light coming in from the 3 windows. This is light coming from one of the lights that I had. I only had 2 here and 1 over there, so this is kind of as bright as it was. This is with the rectangular lights going round, and this is all the lights. How good is this? It's so bright in here. It's literally brighter in here than it is outside. That maybe not true, but still, this is absolutely amazing. Like, for how much this cost, it's bonkers. I think this was £88 on Temu. Temu, whatever you want to call it. There was a discount code that came with it, so I think I ended up getting like maybe £30 off, but if you keep your eyes peeled on Temu, they always have these deals all the time, constantly. They're pretty good, they're pretty clever with it. Temu, sponsor me. But yeah, no, I mean, you know, these lights, £85, really can't go wrong. I'm super happy with them. They were super easy to put together, felt really solid. Yeah, just happy. Go get your own. Cool, there you have it. It's way brighter, it's way easier to see, it looks way better in here as well, so I'm super happy. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.